In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create attribution reports in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official site and sign in to your account. Make sure you have permission to create reports. If you're not seeing the options I mentioned, you may need access from an account admin. Once you're in, move your cursor to the main navigation and locate the reporting area. Open Reports to go to your reporting home. In the top right corner, click Create, then choose Create Report to begin building something new. From the report types, select Attribution Report. This tells HubSpot you want to analyze which interactions contribute to key outcomes like new contacts or closed revenue. Click Next. You'll see options to use templates, but for full control, choose Create Report on your own. Now select a data source. Pick the object that best matches what you want to measure. For example, use contacts if you want to attribute contact creation, or deals if you're attributing revenue or closed-won outcomes. Choose carefully here. Your selection determines what metrics and dimensions will be available in the builder. When you're ready, click Next. You're now in the Attribution Builder. On the left panel, choose a chart type that fits your story. Tables are great for detailed comparisons, while bar charts make trends easy to scan. Next, select an attribution model. This controls how credit is assigned across touchpoints. First touch emphasizes the initial interaction. Last touch credits the final step. Linear spreads credit evenly, and multi-touch models like U-shaped, W-shaped, or time decay emphasize different moments along the journey. Pick the model that aligns with how your team evaluates influence. Then adjust the dimension to break down results in a meaningful way. You might group by channel, campaign, source, landing page, or specific assets to see where impact is coming from. As you make changes, review the preview to confirm the data is telling a clear, accurate story. When your visualization looks right, click Save Report. Give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates can find and understand it later. Something like Revenue Attribution by Channel Last Quarter works well. Click Next to move to Sharing options. Choose who can access this report. You can keep it private to yourself, share it with a specific team, or make it available to everyone in your account. Pick the option that fits your workflow and governance needs, then click Save. That's it. You've created an attribution report in HubSpot, ready to help you understand which efforts truly drive results.